Now, once we have completed our schematic and have given reference designator to each and every component, the next step is to perform an electrical rule check. You can see that my schematic is complete. Now I click on this tool, perform electrical rules check. Once clicking on this will open this window of electrical rule checker. You will click on run ERC and this will perform check over the schematic. After running this tool, you see I have two errors. The first error says input power pin not driven by output power pin. As I click on the first error, my cursor goes over here on the pin number 1. If I click on the second error which I have encountered while performing rule checker, it says that pin number 2 is having some issue. Now the error is that input power pin not driven by an output power pin. In KiCad, the KiCad itself checks that there should be an output power pin that should feed to an input. So in order to remove this error, I go to add symbols. On add symbols, you can search over here flag, and this is the power flag. Double click on it and add over here on the VCC net, and again you can also make a copy or add the similar component previously added by clicking on insert. I pressed insert on the keyboard and another power flag appeared, so I place this over the ground. Now I hit escape and again I perform electrical rule check. We clicked on the ERC and now my errors have removed. Now one might consider where are all the rules written that KiCad checks and performs those checks on the schematic. In your schematic editor, go to this tool, edit schematic setup, including annotation styles and electrical rules. Click on this. There are electrical rules. These are all the electrical rules that are in the KiCad. You can see the first are the connections, rules regarding the connections, then there are conflicts, then there are miscellaneous. You can read these and you can also change the setting, like there is an connection error like pin not connected. You want this as an error, as a warning, or ignore this type of issue in the schematic, as unconnected pin might generate a faulty schematic or may cause an improper circuitry design in the PCB, so we should keep it as an error. These are all the list of violations that can take place in the schematic, so you can read this to get more deep inside the rules. Then in the electrical rules there are pin conflict map. You can also study this and you can also change the setting of these rules, like here it says that input pin is connected to input pin. It says that there is no error or warning when an input pin is connected to input pin. For the sake of argument, you can also change its setting by clicking on it. Now next, if an input is connected to input pin, it will generate warning. If I again click on and change the setting, and if input pin is connected to input pin, it will generate error. Now if I again click on it, it will go to no error or warning if an input pin is connected to input pin. So these are the pin conflict map you can see, and you can also change the settings of these. So these are all the electrical rules and pin conflict maps that KiCad checks when we perform electrical rules. As my schematic has no error when I click run ERC.